Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. I am obsessed with this one. It's another Disney one, and it is She's Got Legs. Look how cute it is. You got Ariel, Flounder, Scuttle. It's right when she gets her feet and she's like, oh my gosh, I have little tootsies. It is so cute. So it is a square drill. It is 108 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. It is a pretty big one. Square drill. Let's see. Over here we have another thumbnail of the kit. It has 67 colors, including 5 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds, 122,797. So pretty. And then we have our Disney logo here at the bottom because they have a license agreement with Disney. So beautiful. And this is their new boxing. So I was actually surprised by this quite a bit. I liked the other boxing too, but I could totally see why they went this route. It's going to be cheaper, and it does have these tabs here, but it's very secure. Like there's like 3 levels of tabbing going on. So let's go ahead and open it. You have to pull these 2 tabs out here, and then this just comes straight out. And see how it's tucked in? I don't know if I could show you. On the edges here. Beautiful. So it is still quite secure. And then it opens up. It's still a beautiful box. I love it. I'm kind of like, I'm going to bend this here. It's a pretty big painting. They're very crisp boxing. Stay open. Okay, so let me zoom out just a little here. We have our tool kit, which we will go over. Our welcome, thank you, thingamajig. And we have the canvas. Holy moly. This is pretty heavy. See, look at that. That's how heavy duty this box is. The top is so heavy. That is amazing. Alright, so I'm going to put these tabs in so I can set this elsewhere for a moment. Alright, so let's first go through the toolkit. I'll probably run through this pretty quick because you guys have seen it, right? Probably like a bazillion times. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. Okay, so we have our baggies for extra drill storage. We have our Diamond Art Club loading pin with the brass tip. And it is loaded with that clear putty that everyone loves so much. So you just twist it and, you know, wax comes out. It's awesome. All right, and we have our tray here with the heavy duty lid. We have refillable wax here. Listen, pen, I think my building is uneven, or unlevel, whatever. Refillable putty wax, 7-placer, and a heart wax if you're not feeling the clear putty stuff. All right, I'm gonna push this over here. Well, maybe I'll move it here because this is a big canvas. We need all the space we can get. Okay. So here is our welcome or thank you card here. And we still have our cute little thing that you pinch here. All right. Ooh, look at this card. Oh my gosh. Is this a bronze card? I have trouble identifying these. But this card is beautiful. Look at this. And if you haven't seen these before, this is another kind of collector's item. It has the logo here of Disney. It's a Disney image, Disney princess. She's got legs, the title, the size, and then around the border here shows you the rarity of the card. You can find more information on Diamond Art Club's website under their trading cards, or treasure quest cards. Yes, that's what it is. And then you can scratch this off here and it gives you a claim code. And once you get so many, you can redeem them for all sorts of different things on their website. All right, let's take this out. We have our tips and tricks, pictures, step-by-steps, kit contents, direct link to their Facebook group. I'll have that in the description. Save 20% off QR codes. If it's your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club and you're gonna go, you know, snag this kit, you can click my link in the description as well. And then it is my affiliate link. So you'll get a discount and I get a small kickback as well. So take a look at that. All right, here is our symbols. These are individual stickers you can use to kit up on your storage. Let's see. So it has our 67 colors. And they now list the special drills at the end of the list. So we have 368666, Z743993, and 3827. Beautiful. So our just our, normal Diamond Art Club symbols here. And then you have another thumbnail you can use. And this is also, as you can tell, a sticker you can put on your, storage containers for your drills in case you have more than one project going at a time. You can even put your start and end date for your logbook. And then you have Diamond Color 67. So like a little snippet of what it is. So let's put this over here and we are going to go ahead and get into the canvas. Let's see. So I want to know in the comments, tell me, who is your favorite Disney princess? Oh yeah, and they have listed quite a few, Disney images already. So do you all have a favorite? Have you been holding out, for this one? I'm just curious. Okay, put that out of the plastic here. Just gonna try to zoom back out. Okay. All right, let's get this open. Gotta find which way is up. Here we go. Oh my goodness, you guys! This is so cute. Oh, we do have the red stripe, so we'll see if that bled through. I believe they got it figured out though. This is massive. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna flatten the canvas out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the canvas is massive, as you can tell. You know the size of it. But, so I flattened it out a bit. We will take a closer look at the canvas at the end of the video. But I wanted to show you all how crazy this rendering is. Look at this! So that is the right side. Like, look at her face and her hair, you guys. Oh, it's just so well done. Oh, and also, before I forget, I wanted to show you that the lines, let me see if I can fold it like this, on the canvas here did not bleed through on any corner. Like I said, I already checked when I flattened it out. So, the bleed through issue has been resolved. So, like I said, I'll take you through a closer look of this canvas towards the end. For now, let's go ahead and look through the drills. Okay, I have them all sprawled out here. I know how some of you like to see them all in one pile. So yeah, here you go. All sorts of them. We have lots of blue, which makes total sense. It's a Little Mermaid, So let's go through them. All right, so we have our very first fairy dust out the gate. This is Z993. This is a really, really, really pretty coral color. And when we take a closer look at the canvas, I'll let you know where these special drills are mostly. So that was Z993. We have 2 big bags of 841. And let me twist this here. Looks like 4 bags of 3072. And here comes lots of blue. 3761. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is a lot of this. You can't see, but it's gonna be the sky, I'm sure. So this is, what was it? 3761. Let me see. So yeah, 3761 is the do not enter symbol, which is all of the sky up there. So that's why there's so many of the blues. All right, let me put that over here. Okay, next strand here. There we go. Okay, so we have 3828, 3064, 951, 926, 6033, 778, really pretty pink, 317, 322, 3860, and here is another fairy dust, Z3827. Pretty, 598, 452, 814, oh, okay, 318, here comes multiple. We have 3810, 2 bags of 3810, 3765, 898, and 3865. Okay, here comes a smaller bag here. We have 833, 310. That's the smallest bag of 310s I've seen in a kit. 819, 535, 3830, 208, 3347, 3346, 987, And here's another fairy dust, Z368. It's a really, really pretty green. 3856, 224, 3837, 3801, 3705, 3608, 718, 3608. Did I just say 3608? No, I said 3605. Anyway, 445. Okay. Sometimes reading all these numbers, you know, I get them like flippy floppied. I don't know why, but I'm happy to do it. I love looking at them anyway. So we have two great big bags of 518, 3857. Another fairy dust. This is a really, really bright red. You see that? I'm not sure if I've seen this fairy dust in a kit before. Super, super pretty. We have 758, two big bags of 301, and then three bags of 597. Ooh, another fairy dust. Whoop, whoop. This is Z743. You see the glitter there? Pretty yellow. 3022, 3778. Oh, two bags of 3778. 300. Looks like three bags of 168. And then 817, 435. Alright, is this the last one? I think this is the last one, y'all. Okay, we have 435, 451, 498, 3779. Oh, two bags of 3779. It's like a peach color. Alright, we have three bags of 762. Two big old bags of 400. 312, 3861. And two bags of 3756. 3042, 3854, 976. Two bags of 976. 647, 3853. Beautiful! Alright, so I'm going to check to see where most of the fairy dusts are, and we're going to take a closer look at the canvas as well. Okay, so we have our fairy dust pretty scattered down, so forgive me, I'm going to have to kind of do some rolling. So that really bright red fairy dust is a ton of her hair. And then I saw some sprinkled in throughout Sebastian here. That yellow fairy dust we saw, basically all of Flounder is fairy dust. We saw a green one, and I just saw those here in little greenery here. What was the other one? The blue fairy dust is here throughout the water, and then the tanner one was just within the rocks. So kind of just sprinkled throughout. I'm going to do my best now to give you a zoomed in view of the canvas. We're going to go from the left corner here. Zoom you in. All right. Let me just take the phone down here. I figured picking up the phone might be easier. So sorry if it's shaky. So the sky up here is all of that blue color. We saw like 5 bags of it. And then it goes into white in the clouds. Here is what her face and her hair looks like. This does look like it's going to be a pretty, color blocking canvas throughout. So the canvas itself is massive. But I'm thinking I know a few people that could fly through it. It is very, very, very well done. And if I'm going too fast for you all, I'm so sorry. There is a feature in YouTube where, you can speed people up, but you can also slow videos down. It would probably make me sound like a weirdo robot. Here's a little confetti-ish. Still not so bad. Get you a little taste there. Oh, look, I didn't even know there's little droplets coming from her feet. Cute. So yeah, you can definitely slow me down if you want a longer view of the canvas. We are now at the castle. So pretty. And here is Skittle. Scuttle. I said Skittle. Scuttle. All right. So you got some confetti in him. Look at that. So pretty. All right. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. This is, I believe, going to be released on Saturday. I don't know, maybe it was Wednesday. But just check out Diamond Art Club's VIP group. It's in the description of this video. Check that out, and they'll be posting about it and let you know when it will be released and such. Make sure you're in that group so you don't miss anything. And also like and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I post. So until next time, everyone, bye!